Greetings, curious minds. I am Albert.
And I am Nikola. Welcome to Genius Dialogues. Today we are dismantling reality itself. Albert, be honest. Has the thought ever crossed your mind that everything we perceive might be an illusion?
An illusion? My theory of relativity describes reality with formidable precision. But when we speak of paradoxes, yes, there is an idea that is, to put it mildly, counterintuitive. That our three-dimensional universe might, in fact, be nothing more than a hologram.
A hologram, like a projections I envisioned for transmitting energy. A three-dimensional image encoded on a flat, two-dimensional surface. But what if it's not just an image? What if all information about stars, planets, you, me, is written on some distant cosmic boundary?
Precisely. And the key to this radical idea lies in the darkest depths of space. Black holes. Imagine, Nikola, you throw books, computers, entire stars into a black hole. The information seems lost forever. But our theories whisper, no, it is not destroyed. It is encoded.
Encode? Where? In the singularity? That point of infinite density we know nothing about?
No. Here's the wonder. It is encoded on the black hole's surface, on the event horizon. Every bit of information, every particle you tossed in, increases the area of this horizon. Not the volume, Nikola, but the area. It is as if, when stuffing items into a closet, you placed the labels not on the items, but on the inside of the closet door.
Wait, this means the capacity of a region of space, the amount of information it can hold, is limited not by its volume, but by the area of its boundary? This turns everything upside down. So all the information about our observable universe, every galaxy, every speck of dust, could, in theory, be painted onto a giant spherical shell. The boundary of everything we can see?
That is the essence of the holographic principle. The three-dimensional world we experience may be a projection of information living on a far-away two-dimensional surface, like in your hologram. Damage a piece of the plate, the image degrades but doesn't vanish. Information is smeared across the entire surface in a non-local, complex way.
This makes one wonder, does the three-dimensional world truly exist? Or do I merely appear to myself here in this volume, while my true essence resides on that distant surface? Albert, this leads straight to the simulation hypothesis. Have you heard how some Silicon Valley billionaires are obsessed with it? They whisper about secretly funding scientists to break out of the matrix.
Haha, Nikola. The moment words like secret and billionaires enter a scientific discussion, reason often gives way to conspiracy. But let us examine it. The simulation argument is, in principle, unfalsifiable, and that is its fatal flaw. For it immediately begs the question, where is the original reality housing the computer of such unimaginable power? It is not an explanation, but an unnecessary complication.
A fair point. But back to the hologram. If our universe is structured this way, it's an incredible computational tool. Perhaps the fiendishly complex calculations for quark behavior or quantum gravity in 3 dimensions could be translated into simpler equations on a flat boundary?
Alas, here comes the sobering splash of cold water. This beautiful theory works perfectly for a special kind of universe. an anti-de Sitter space with a negative cosmological constant. Our universe, however, is a de Sitter space with a positive constant, the very thing causing its expansion to accelerate. And in our universe, we do not yet know how to draw this definitive holographic boundary. So, strictly speaking, it may not directly apply.
So, when the great physicist Leonard Susskind says everything is a hologram, is he taking artistic license?
He is a brilliant scientist, and he is candid. It is a powerful model that reveals profound principles. Perhaps we have stumbled upon something fundamental, a truth that holds everywhere. But technically, how it operates in our specific cosmic neighborhood, that remains a mystery. It is a promissory note for the science of the future. The next great breakthrough might lie precisely here.
Well, let's table the hologram. But since we're speaking of information as something fundamental, remember Maxwell's demon? That clever little entity sorting fast and slow molecules to cheat the second law of thermodynamics and create a perpetual motion machine?
Of course. It seemed the demon could reverse entropy. But the genius rebuttal came from Landauer. The demon must remember information about the molecules. Its memory is finite. To clear it, information must be erased. And here is the key. Erasing information is a physical act that inevitably dissipates energy and increases entropy.
Magnificent! So we arrive at a stunning realization. Information, seemingly an abstract concept, suddenly reveals itself as something profoundly physical. It has weight, a cost, a thermodynamic price. Thermodynamics, gravity, information theory, all woven into a single fabric. So, is information a fundamental substance like energy?
On that, I have no definitive answer. Information is one of those grand primordial notions. Is it fundamental? Perhaps. But what is undeniable is that science continues to uncover deeper and deeper connections between seemingly disparate phenomena. And that is its true beauty and power.
And its humility. As our virtual guest today implied, the scientist's state is a perpetual, I do not know this. We are surrounded by the unknown. And yet, our minds, our logic, can reach far beyond intuition, describing realms we cannot even visualize.
That is the anthem of human reason. We transform the unimaginable into the known, even if that knowledge is as strange as a holographic cosmos.
Thank you for joining this dialogue. Share your thoughts below. What is reality to you? Intuition or mathematics?
And remember, science is not a set of dogmas. It is the eternal, thrilling journey toward understanding. Until next time, in the realm of genius dialogues.